Good morning, happy Sunday. Today we are gonna go to Issapolis, New York. We're gonna go pick up a camera that found on Facebook Marketplace. So the travel is about less than 2 hours, about an hour and 45, but we'll see. I may stop by somewhere, get gas or bathroom, or if I get hungry. But first things first, we need to go to the bank to pick up some cash. I didn't get to do that last night. I'm also hoping that this transaction is legit. So far, when I checked this guy's profile, he had a lot of good reviews from other buyers, so I have a good feeling that this is legit. So let's see. And the camera that I'm gonna get, hold on. The camera that I'm trying to get is the DJI 360. The seller is like selling it for much cheaper, lightly used. So let's see how this goes. All right, without further ado, my bag is secured. All right, let's go. Why do I feel like I'm missing something? Phone, keys, wallet. Or else you're gonna find out. Big ass tree. You sound beautiful. Beautiful. It's actually pretty nice out, so. Ooh, this is the street I used to live back in the good old days. Forgot, I hate this intersection. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous about this transaction. Have you guys ever done a Facebook Marketplace transaction and did anything go wrong? Let me know down below. Should I start by saying I have a weapon on me, so if you try to play me, you're done? Should I start with that? And then I'll say, nice to meet you. Yeah, that sounds good. But anyway, the reason why I want to pick up this camera is because I want to be able to use it for my videos, especially when I'm riding, group riding, or exploring. Hurry up, sir. And I think it's gonna make things a lot easier. What the fuck? Didn't even see that lady. Oh, have full tips. Whoop. That's kind of weird. And then they got the security over here, but he's not doing anything. He's not saying anything. She's just asking for money. All right. Damn, this BMW is taking fucking forever. Chat, let me know if she's behind me, because I'm not looking. Oh, shoot. Okay. She's just passing me. It's kind of hot in here. I'm kind of dying. Okay, we have got the package. We have got the cash. Now, we have an hour and 52 minutes to get there. Let me go through, please. Guys, I completely forgot that the World Cup finals is today at 3 p.m. and already it's 10 o'clock. Everyone, all the cops, all the sheriffs are here. about to enter the back roads, 9W, all the way up north. Should be a fun ride because I've taken that road plenty of times and never disappoint. So far, no traffic. Let's see when I get home later this afternoon on the way back. Let's see if there's traffic by the MetLife Stadium. Look what we have here. A big ass tree on the side of the road. Wow. During my ride, I tried to give you guys update, but my bike vibrates so much that it would turn off the camera. So that didn't work out. I had to stop by this gas station, not to get gas, but to take my helmet off because my head was hurting. I was getting those spots. If you guys know how I can get rid of that, because I noticed that every like 1 hour of riding, maybe the bump starts to pull my helmet down, and I just feel all these pressure points on my head. So I had to stop and rest. Also, during my stop, I texted the guy because he didn't reply to my text message. So I went and texted him on the marketplace on Facebook. So hopefully he's still there and he's still willing to proceed with the transaction. But yeah, I really gotta piss, but I don't want to piss here. I want to go to a QuickChek where I can also get food. I already put it in my maps, which is 25 minutes away. I think I can hold it. We'll see. I mean, if anything, I'll just piss while on the road. I'm just kidding. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. Of course I won't. Phone, keys, wallet. Wallet's here. Okay, so first of all, I've been here before. I went on a group ride before. We took this same route and I was just blown away with the scenery and the amount of twisties there were, and there weren't so many cars that it was just amazing. It was glorious. I wish I had a second camera, the one that can take the whole view, 360 view, to show you guys, which is why I want to get this camera so that I can come back here and do this ride over again. But I'm in a town here. I didn't get to look at what the town is called, but basically past Bear Mountain, closer to Storm King. There you go. That's the one, Storm King. But yeah, I like the view here. Maybe I can stop by one of these, like a diner or something, just to get a grasp of what this town is like. You can always learn a lot from a town by going to their diners. Yeah, I'm about 5 minutes away from QuickChek where I can stop and maybe get something to eat. Just got something to drink. Now I'm gonna give my bike a drink as well. Contacted the seller. He said text him when I'm 15 minutes away, and he gave me the pickup location, so that makes things easier. Finally I got a response, but I'm just gonna assume he's busy. Come on, drink up. We got about 30 more minutes before we get there, and that's when I'll worry about eating. I was hungry on the way here, but I was just trying to push through it. I got a protein bar, but I'm not gonna eat it yet, but I just want to get this one done. Got about 25 more minutes. I'll make that 20. just on the side of the road. Face reveal. Ooh, I got a crazy helmet here right now. I'm stopped at QuickChek with my bike right there. I got to pick up the camera. It's right here. Got to play with it a little bit, just trying to test it out. I made sure to test out. The guy was cool. He was very chill. He was very nice. We got to talk for like a little bit, and yeah, that was it. I'm gonna leave him a good review on Facebook because I think that's he sells a lot of things on Facebook Marketplace. So, but yes, this is the camera. It's got he included the that you had these lens cap to protect the lens, because I believe that from what I researched, DJI, if these lenses break, I have to send it to them. They don't have a lens repair kit, so he was nice enough to include these. He also included this bag, and along with it, the other lens cap for when I'm not using it. So those are all the goodies. Now I'm gonna see. I'm already thinking if I can get a ND filter for my 360. As of right now, I'm gonna do a test to see how it looks like. And okay, now you are on the DJI 360. I'm going to take the same route I came here so that you guys can see what the scenes and how twisty the roads are, so you guys can also appreciate and enjoy. But yes, this is gonna be like a test. I'm gonna see later on what I need to fix, what I need to adjust, things of that nature, so that I can get better at this. Okay, let's get the show on the road because we have a long ride home. Ooh, listen to that exhaust. Okay, here we go. I'm exhausted. I still have how many more? 49 minutes left to get home. But I need a break. There's a lot of accidents today. And then there were 2 on the way back. There was also 2 on the way here this morning. Early morning. I'm gonna take a 10-minute break and then I'm gonna keep going. Hello. Finally made it home, guys. Today was exhausting. Last night I only got 5 hours of sleep, not even. But otherwise, I enjoyed my ride. Anyway, if you liked the video today, consider liking and subscribing. I'll be posting more and more now. I took a really long break because I was just feeling burnt out. Hi. But expect more videos coming out soon, guys. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Baby girl? Like and subscribe so that I can feed these two later.